Alrighty. Now I'm painting the inner part. Just a little bottom plate. Wish me luck. Ah! Screwed it up. Screwed it up.
Why?
It's spit.
Yeah, you know why?
Why?
Tilted the can and you didn't have enough paint in it.
Can I wash that off?
Maybe.
Mine's eating a stick.
Let's turn the hose on real quick though.
I told you to put.
He messed up. You done messed up.
How you like that? Well, I messed it up, so I had to wash it off. Typical for me. The only difference, yeah, the only difference is in my screw ups today as in the past. In the past, I'd have just stomped my feet, jumped around, threw it, broke it, then cried myself to sleep.
You're right.
I go dry this. Fix it. Ow. Never mind. It's probably on the video that I just did.
Mm-hmm.
What did you do?
Hurt yourself. You went, ow.
This bottom plate hit me in the jugular 2.0.
Oh. I didn't get that part.
Yeah, that's why I was laughing. It went.
Oh, yeah.
I've only got the stomach and up.
Oh, that's good.
You want me to show mine?
No.
The juggler?
2.0.
Alright.
The thing below the wing wang.
We're going to
Things.
go put more paint in it since I screwed
The
up.
one-eyed viper.
Your channel just went PG to PG-13.
Look at the grass.
I know.
Where did Deb sees it? She ain't there.
Some nice. Has it snowed here?
Wait did Deb see that grass.
You might see the video.
She ain't seeing the video. I don't have Facebook.
Anymore.
Anymore.
You can always pour it back out into the can. Remember that.
How much you gonna put in there?
Whole can?
You put the whole can in there?
Yep. I ain't messing up again.
Mm-hmm. It's almost 4.
Alright. Part 2. Take 2.
Give it a spray it away.
My.
How is he going over on the other thing?
Uh-oh.
Gonna move that.
Did it? Or is it just...
That's just the side.
Turn that thing, turn that table.
This is already dry.
Oh, would you look at that?
Dry already?
Yeah.
Not cured.
Not cured.
Let me have a look. Oh, look at that finish.
Can you see the bottom end? That's the original. Is it close?
Okay, yeah, it's very close. Pretty much the same, yeah.
There you go.
Now
Then I'm
you'll
gonna put the clear coat.
Clear coat and be good.
Alright, I'm gonna stick it over here. You think I can clear coat it now, or?
I would wait a bit.
I mean, that really looks good. Alright, I'm gonna go back and do this
I would
again.
not rush. Now you can put that up on the table.
Maybe that was the key. It needed to be on the table. Loaf.
I know. You got all the. You're just covering up the grass.
I know. Alright, I'm gonna do this again.
That's gonna beat your badass cafe.
Coming back more.
Out of the sun.
Alright, here we go. Again.
Here comes the wind.
Yep.
What?
Eric,
Yep.
come around this side and spray it. See, make sure you don't leave Alright, I wouldn't go no more.
Alright. Success, take 2.
You should do your hair with that
Oh yeah, I mean,
to match the fridge.
not bad. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe. What else do you do?
Comment.
Comment. Definitely comment. See you.